The wrecking crew has arrived. It's Bulldozer.
Points and count. The first spectacle point is in the books. Locks away another spectacle point. On the map with a first spectacle point. That combo is worth another spectacle point. Locking on the back tires for a bit. Must have not needed that piece. Locks away another spectacle point. Barreling forward in a tight roll. Almost there. 4 spectacle points. End over end and back on 4 wheels. Pulls off a short donut. 1 spectacle point. Have some boost. On the map with a first spectacle point. Spinning like a torpedo. Flipping face forward. 1 spectacle point. Have some boost. Bags the first spectacle point. Keeping it going with a second spectacle point. Throws down an endo. That spectacle star is almost complete. The first spectacle point is in the books. Tucks into a tight barrel roll. Sticking it for a short slap wheel. What an awesome front flip. Boost to spare with that 4th spectacle point. Cranking the wheel into a gigantic donut. Nice little slap wheeling.